How to create a video with a virtual avatar that speaks your text.
Hello, world, I'm happy to talk today. I'm an AI avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. I'm sending you the key points from the presentation about my AI product for your business.
Visit the Synthesia website, the AI tool that generates video based on your script. For instance, brands like Xerox, Zoom and Nestle are already using this. The service has a free demo version. To get started, open the demo page and choose one of the 3 available avatars to speak your text. In the demo, you are limited to a 200-character script in English only, and customizing video infographics isn't possible. The full version provides more language and avatar options, plus the ability to generate personalized infographics. For demonstration, I will craft a text as I'm offering an AI business integration product. Click Generate Video. You will need to enter your name, complete a captcha, indicate how you heard about the service, agree to the terms of use, and provide a corporate email address. Note that a domain like gmail.com won't work. You need to use a corporate email. After that, click Generate Video again. Synthesia will send an email notification to the provided email informing you that your video is in the process. This email also offers links, different video styles suited for different types of content, from virtual consultation or training videos. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you will receive another mail with a link to the finished video. Here is the result.
Hello, world, I'm happy to talk today. I'm an AI avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. I'm sending you the key points from the presentation about my AI product for your business.
Next, Synthesia will prompt you to explore their pricing. Rates start at $22 per month when billed annually. Considering the service functionality, the price is reasonable. I recommend at least trying the demo, especially since videos generate quickly. You can use this video, for example, to catch attention in your presentations. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let me know in the comments about other AI tools you would like to see tutorials on. Thank you.